Now once your vehicle is raised and supported with jack stands, you now want to go ahead and put a jack underneath the control arm. You want to go ahead and lift up the suspension a little bit. You don't want to take the vehicle off of the jack stands, but you want to support and raise the suspension about an inch or two. Next, we're going to use our 18mm socket and remove this bolt. Using a 15mm wrench for the bolt head and an 18mm socket on the other, let's go ahead and remove the nut off of the bolt. Now what we'll do is hold the shock, work the bolt out, and pull the shock out. Now we're going to take the shock, line that up. We did clean the bolt and we put a little bit of anti-seize on the threads. Go ahead and work that in. Get that nut started here. You're just going to go ahead and snug that down. You want to go ahead and remove the band off of your shock. We did already clean our bolt and put our anti-seize on there. I'm going to let that shock extend out. Get that bolt lined up. If the bolt doesn't line up, you have your jack underneath. Go ahead and raise or lower that just a little bit so that that hole lines up. It makes it easy for you to install. Once you get the thread started, I'm going to go ahead and snug that down. I'm going to go ahead and torque our upper bolt to 75 foot-pounds. I'm going to go ahead and torque our lower shock bolt to 60 foot-pounds. Go ahead and lower the vehicle back onto the jack stands or your lift. And now we can go ahead and reinstall the wheel. Now I'm going to go ahead and install the wheel. And get all the lug nuts started by hand. Then we're going to go ahead and snug up the lug nuts. I'm going to go ahead and torque down the lug nuts to 135 foot-pounds.